What is up, guys? So today it's finally sunny and about 50-60 where I'm at. And that guy was staring at me weird. Anyways, and today is another upload. I know I've been uploading a couple. For those who've been watching, I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. And I look forward to being able to produce more content for you guys. Same old stuff I always say, just, trying to be humble and kind here and just stay positive. So today is something for the truck. I am actually going to go be stopping at 2 stores. Big rig coming. A little loud in my left ear, but that's all right. I am going to go and get some car parts. The wife doesn't like that at all. She already yelled at me. It's payday and I'm already blowing my check, and I love her, but she's got good intentions and she's got good reasons why she gets mad at me when I buy stuff. So reputation precedes, and we're trying to save up, get some stuff, and go on vacation soon. So anyways, I'm on my way to the one store now, and then I have another store to go to after that, and then I will be showing you guys everything what's going on today. So, all right, let's get to that one first store. Alrighty, so both times I walked into the stores I wanted to go to, I did not go to AutoZone. I went to Advanced Auto and Harbor Freight. Obviously, I should have recorded going in there. That place is like a gold mine for me for my truck. I forgot. I was on the phone with somebody else, or on the phone figuring out some other stuff, and obviously that I don't have a camera right now. I'm using my iPhone 8. I mean, the quality ain't the best. Obviously, y'all can tell the difference between a Nikon and a iPhone 8. But I will tell you that I might be buying something else tonight. Hopefully I can record it this time. But I got the shocks that are right there in my daughter's car seat. I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up a jack. Shout out to, I think it was Ford Diesel on my YouTube channel, one of my subscribers that basically said, bro, you need to jack it up. Well, I'm jacking it up. And returning it because I'm, cheapo. I'll have my dad buy, a jack or something because I don't want to buy it. But, anyways, yeah, so I'm going home now. I'm going to go do what I got to do, and then I'm going to get everything jacked up, and I'll show you guys from there. We got the Harbor Freight special here, boys. And then I got the little handy dandy 84 cent. Yeah. 84 cents. I got a pocket knife, but you can't resist when you see something shiny and sharp, so that goes there. That was $80 right now. They got their the hell is it? Parking lot blowout sale. I don't know. They always got a sale going. It's always a sale. But let's see here. It should fit right in here and lock it in. And boom. That's fit in. Boom, right there. 80 bucks. Jack that son bitch up. Now all I need is some wood. Wood. Where might you be? Ah, right there. Check. Alright, always rule number 1, like Ford Diesel said, and it's a good point, safety first. And always try to do it on a level surface. As you guys can see, mine's not level, so therefore causing that to be higher and that to be lower, but they're both off the ground, so it don't matter. I just got to push this one in a little bit. Hope to God nothing happens here. Oh, it's already on. So I gotta get right there, one bolt right there, one bolt up there, call it done. That's already jacked up. That'll be fine. And then go from there. Same thing on the other side, and then the rear is really easy. And along with the safety first factor, always wear eye protection. And the other thing is, besides eye protection, oh boy, hang on. They're here somewhere. If I can find them, yeah, that'd be nice. Sorry, my face is like right up in here, and I really don't care. Anyways, besides safety first and the glasses and all that, you always have to wear gloves. Your best bet is to always try to wear gloves. Oh, there they are. I got mechanics gloves. You know, you don't want, I mean, I'm a tough bad boy sometimes. Ooh. And, sorry guys, I'm just in like a weird mood today. Like, it's good, but I don't know. I'm just in that no fucks given today. Always wear safety. I mean, I landscape, and that's the biggest thing. So, all right, I got the truck jacked up on stands. I got the jack the floor jack right here, ready to support it just in case as well. And we're going to get rolling here, boys. Alrighty, so got the wheel off. So you're gonna have to take the wheel off for this. It's so much easier. New shock, old shock. Those are beat. Those are new. You got the one front left down. 3 to go. And like I said, it's only one bolt, and then you gotta take that bolt off. They come right out. Now you might need a crowbar like I did, just to put a pull on the back of that. Take the top out first. Oh man. Alrighty guys, so sorry, I got to catch my breath here. I am finally closing up the beast here. Check the oil leak. She's still leaking, obviously, but that's okay. Let's check this hood. It's done. Slow bolt, baby, all day. I'm joking. She's done. She's done. Let me show you guys. The Rancho RS 5000s, baby, brand new. I gotta cut those zip ties off, but that's okay. That I can probably actually zip tie to that. But man, that looks really nice. I know it's not like, you know, see, you guys can see from under here. There they are. Rolling down the road, you'll see, oh, my bad guys. Rolling down the road, you'll see it. It's pretty cool, I like that. I got the sticker on it. Next thing I gotta do, I gotta fix this. But, and then that too. Little odds and ends. A little bumper cover, that's okay. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys the whole full install video. I did, let me show you guys this one up here. I did put air in the 2 front tires. I put 60 in the front, 55 in the rear, just to make sure, so you guys can see there the Ranchos. I did take the wheels off of the front just because it was easier with the rear. You didn't have to. I mean, you know, if you want to, that's fine, but I didn't. So, however, I was going to go and get a surprise, and let me explain that to you guys quick. Alrighty, so I was going to go out and go back to Harbor Freight and return the jack, but I decided to keep it because I don't have one. My dad went half in on me with it. It was $80, he'll give me 40, but I'll probably just put it back to him anyways because, you know, he's my dad. I do have to do the fog light coming up. I can show you guys that. That can be a quick video, or I can put it in with another video. It doesn't matter. I wanted to do it tonight, but I didn't get to. And like I said, I have a couple other things to do. Maybe with that fog light video, I can do some other little odds and ends, decals, all other stuff, but she needs a cleaning one day, big time. So, and I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the whole video. Oh, dropping my keys. I didn't get to show you guys the whole video install. It was tough because my dad was helping me a little bit, and safety first, and you know, recording is cool and everything, but you always want to be safety first. Just remember that when you're working on a big diesel truck like this, any car, doesn't matter. I don't care, but the extremities will go up when you're working on an 8,000-pound truck. So, alrighty. Well, I'll catch you guys later. I hope you guys like this video. I do plan on getting a bunch of stuff coming up for the truck. I did want to go get a winch today. Not a wench, a winch. I talked to my uncle about it. He's like, you already got one. I was like, yeah. Couldn't say that to her. She'll kick me in my nuts. But I do, like I said, odds and ends. Odds and ends coming up. Little stuff here and there that's going to make this truck stand out. Biggest thing, honestly, the biggest thing about this truck is going to be the bed and the tailgate. That's going to be the biggest thing. And it's going to be, when I get this bed off, that's a whole nother world. But I'm actually going to the movies tomorrow, guys, with this. I'm going to be cleaning out the bed. As you guys can see, it's really dirty. I might take the tailgate out. I don't know. We might keep it in. But we're going to be doing movie night drive-in. We got a drive-in movie theater near us, and we can take the truck and sit on the back of the bed. So I'm excited for that. The other thing is this coming up. I need to fix these. I need to hook them up. The bottom two are lit up. The top one isn't even lit up. They don't even work, sadly. They're just for show right now. I hate that, but... so this is one more thing off my list. I didn't get to do the brakes, but that's okay. Man, I miss driving that thing. My dad gets pulled over in all the time. He's driving it now. He's 60 years old and he's driving that thing. Not too shabby. Everybody's like, oh, that's your dad driving. I'm like, yeah, I miss it, but I like big old red here. And the other thing is, comment if you guys want me to keep the headache rack, the back rack. If you guys are watching right now, anybody watching, I do want to keep the toolbox. I do want to probably sand it down, finish it. I mean, not sand it, but paint it again with a different color. I might do black because I already got silver. I might do black. But comment what you guys want me to do. Do you want me to keep that back rack? Because that's got to come off anyways for me to fix the rear window. But if it's off already, I'm not going to put it back on. Comment if you want me to keep that headache rack. And comment what do you want me to do with the toolbox. I'm okay with opinions, all that stuff. And the other thing is keeping the truck red. What should I do? You guys let me know. I mean, I'm going to do what I'm going to do, but, always suggestions are always nice. My dad was saying make the whole half of the truck white from here to here and the rest red. I'm like, okay, that's cool, but I don't know. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you later. I'm going out to dinner. I'm going to have some family time. You guys have a great Friday night if you guys are watching this right now. Should be uploaded, if not Saturday. So, whenever you guys are watching this, you guys have a great night. I'm all dirty. I'm going to go take a shower. Catch you guys later.